Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Facebook notification not working on your iPhone or Android. First of all, go ahead and check your app's notification. Go to settings and then search for notification or scroll down and go for notifications. Now what you're gonna do is click on the Facebook option, and then if your allow notifications option is turned off, just simply turn it on. What you're gonna do is background app refresh. Go ahead and open your settings and then tap on general. Choose Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data to allow app refresh. Tap on background app refresh, and then if your Facebook's option was turned off, then simply turn it on. If that did not help, go ahead and check the App Store or Google Play Store for updates. Go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and then go to search and search for Facebook. Then see if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Outdated apps often cause notification issues. Now, if none of that help and if notifications still do not work, uninstall and reinstall the Facebook. This resets all permissions and usually fixes the problem. So that's it. These are a few fixes for when notifications aren't working on Facebook. Start with the app and phone settings, then update or reinstall if necessary. If this helped, do not forget to like and subscribe and comment on my video for more tech tips. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.